Hello and welcome to the episode. Today I'm going to change the oil and filter on my BMW R 1200 GS. It's a 2014 version, the liquid cooled, and while I'm there I'm going to be changing the rear final drive oil. So this is mainly for my personal records. So the first thing I want to do is take the bike for a ride, give it a good ride, get everything nice and warm, use all the gears, work the clutch, and then take it back home and perform the service. So I will catch you then.
Right, so the first thing you want to do is put your bike on the centre stand. Using a 30 torx drive, remove the under tray. Grab a 10mm hex key and remove the sump plug. Be careful not to drop the tool like this tool did. Remove the drain plug and be careful, it will be extremely hot. Replace the crush washer. If you are poor like me, then flip it over to use it again. Give it a clean. Remove the rear seat and grab the oil cap tool. While the oil is draining, remove the oil filler cap. Grab an oil filter wrench and remove the oil filter. Make sure the rubber seal comes off with the old filter. Install the sump plug and tighten to 42 Nm. Give everything a good wipe. This is the oil I'm using. Use whatever you like. In my experience, 1040 gives a better protection all year round. You can see how clean my engine internals are from the valve video, so please check that out. Put 3 litres of oil in. Fill the new oil filter up. You don't have to do this as it can get messy. The reason I do this is because it eliminates any dry oil starts. Install the filter. The reason I fill the engine with oil before the filter is because it eliminates any airlocks in the oil system. Start the engine so the temp reaches 80 degrees. Turn off and allow to sit for 1 minute. Recheck oil level and put the last 1 litre of oil in. This bike holds 4 litres in total. Recheck the oil level glass. Clean and reinstall the engine under tray. Tighten these bolts to 10 Nm. Pour the old oil in a container and take it to your local garage or recycle centre. Now to change the final drive oil. Remove the lower drain plug bolt using a 6mm hex bit. Remove the filler bolt at the top. Allow to drain and spin the wheel to help remove trapped oil. Reinstall the drain plug, put some rubber grease on the seal if you don't have a new one. Tighten to 12 Nm. This oil was changed 2 weeks ago. The reason I'm doing this again is because the original oil was extremely dirty. Remove the rear mudguard if necessary. Fill the final drive with 180ml of oil. Tighten the filler plug to 12 Nm. Next you'll need to grab the torque driver from the rear seat. Remove the right battery panel to gain access to the diagnostics plug. Using the motor scan tool and the GS adapter cable, plug the OBD socket in. Turn on the ignition and go through the process on the Motorscan app. Here are the tools I used: oil filter claw, 10mm hex bit, 30 torx bit, 6mm hex key, and a torque wrench that covers 10 to 45 Nm. I will link all the parts used in the description below. Well, that's the end of the video. If you have learnt something, then please give this video a like, comment if you have any helpful advice, and subscribe for more videos like these. As well as maintenance tips, I also document vlogs with my wife as we ride together. Until then, I've been Nick and I'll catch you on the next episode. Ride safe.